Okay, this video is about the greatest common divisor of two integers and the algorithm that we use to find it, which we call the Euclidean algorithm. So, for integers, a and b, we say that some integer g is the greatest common divisor of a and b if and only if 1, g divides a and g divides b, and 2, for all c such that c divides a and c divides b, we have that c is less than or equal to g. Right? It's the greatest common divisor. Okay. So you might ask, how do we actually compute this greatest common divisor? To do that, we utilize the Euclidean algorithm. So, let's see, to compute GCD of AB, utilize the Euclidean algorithm. Okay. It's a little bit easier to think about the case where b is less than a. But in general, it works the same in both cases. Okay, so step 1. We utilize the division algorithm to rewrite a as some b times q plus r1, right? Where r1 is going to be between 0 and b minus 1. If r1 is non-zero, then we're going to replace a with b and b with r1. So b is equal to r1 plus q1, q2 plus r2. Okay? If R2 is still non-zero, then we're going to do it again. So now we replace B with R1 and R1 with R2. Okay? And we're going to do this. We'll call this n plus 1. So we have some Rn equals, say Rn minus 1 equals Rn times Qn plus 1 plus Rn plus 1, where this is equal to 0. The greatest common divisor of a and b in this case will be this Rn here. So why don't we illustrate this with an example? Let's find the greatest common divisor of 195 and 35. Well, we start by writing 195 is equal to, let's see, 150 plus 175 plus 25 is 175. So 5 times 35 plus 20. Okay? This remainder is non-zero, so we're going to shift everything over. Now, we have 35 equals 1 times 20 plus 15. We still have a non-zero remainder, so we can keep continuing. 20 equals 1 times 15 plus 5. 5 is non-zero, so we continue. And we end with 15 equals 3 times 5 plus 0. We have a remainder of 0 here. And so what that means is that 5 is the greatest common divisor of 195 and 35. Let's do another example. How about 1,029 and 624? Okay, we'll follow the same process. So we start with 1,029 equals 1 times 624 plus, let's see, we should get 405. Okay? Non-zero. So we proceed to replace the left side with 624. 624 is 1 times 405 plus, let's see, should be 219. Okay? 405 is 1 times 219 plus, let's see, 200 minus 14, that should be 186. 219 is equal to 1 times 186 plus, let's see, if we add 14 plus 19 plus 33. 186 is equal to 5 times 33. Yes. 5 times 33, 150, 165. We need to add 21 more. Plus 21. 33 is 1 times 21 plus 8. No, it's not. 1 times 21 plus 12. Okay? I'm going to go over here now. 21 is equal to 1 times 12 plus 9. 12 is 1 times 9 plus 3. 9 equals 3 times 3 plus 0. This is our greatest common divisor here, right? Also here. So this greatest common divisor of 1,029, 624 is 3. And the greatest common divisor of 195 and 35 is 5.